That is a great scene. How do you feel looking at that yourself after having, obviously...
I'm so not by myself. I'm with 400 people. It's always sort of funny. I like watching the movie. A lot of actors say that they don't watch their stuff, especially if they're like me and crazy and neurotic and like insecure. But like, it's weird. It's like, I'm sorry that I don't have an answer right now. I'm being weird, but like, it's just weird to see stuff like that because I remember that. Like, I remember and it's weird to see what takes they chose and like, yeah, just like because with editing, you know, it's like they time it out. You're really not. I mean, sometimes if they keep it in like a long shot, it's like, oh, cool. So like the pacing is being controlled. But I can't even. This is the first. I've only seen the movie once. It was a rough cut. I like have to see it again to like. Yeah, it's tough. Whatever.
What's it like shooting a scene like that when you've got, you know, obviously a room soundstage full of people and, you know, sound guys putting microphones in your face and lights and things everywhere, and you're creating this wonderful, that's a fantastic scene, this wonderful moment with like all these guys and girls and people watching up.
I mean, we're really very used to it, and we've also been really lucky. A lot of the same people worked on the second and the third, so we're really comfortable with them, and they all really seem to like the movie, which is not always the case with crews. And I don't know, sometimes it's sort of like, sometimes you can sort of look at them as your audience. I mean, if they care, it's like, you know, you say cut, you look around, and if people are feeling, you get a sense of how people are feeling in the room, and you, like while you're rolling, you do forget. I mean, that's like sort of our job to forget. And I think it's because of how cool everybody is. It's easy to forget.
Do they give you like a round of applause sometimes after a really powerful scene?
No.
See this sound guy crying. Look, we got